Explaining human behavior. Psychological theories and models are used to explain behavior, such as cognitive, behavioral, psychodynamic, humanistic, biological, evolutionary, traits, or social cultural theories. 1. Cognitive theories. Cognitive theories explain behavior by examining the role of mental processes such as perception, memory, and problem solving. They emphasize how individuals process information and make decisions. For example, cognitive theory can explain anxiety as a result of distorted thinking patterns such as catastrophizing or overgeneration, which leads to excessive worrying. 2. Behavioral theories. Behavioral theories explain behavior as a response to environmental stimuli and reinforcement. They focus on observable behavior and how they are shaped through conditioning. The behavioristic perspective can explain a child's tantrum as a learned behavior that is reinforced by attention from parents. 3. Psychodynamic theories. Psychodynamic theories like Freud psychoanalysis explain behavior by delving into the unconscious motive, desires, and conflicts. They emphasize the role of early experiences and unconscious mind. For example, a psychodynamic explanation might suggest that an individual's fear of intimacy stems from unresolved childhood experiences related to attachment. 4. Humanistic theories. Humanistic theories such as Maslow's hierarchy of needs explain behavior by focusing on an individual's pursuit of self-actualization, personal growth, and fulfillment of psychological needs. For example, humanistic theory can explain a person's motivation to achieve their full potential in their career or personal life. 5. Biological theories. Biological theories explain behavior by examining the role of genetics, brain structure, neurotransmitter, and hormones in influencing behavior and mental processes. For example, the biological perspective can explain depression as being associated with imbalances in neurotransmitters like serotonin in the brain. 6. Evolutionary theory. Evolutionary theories explain behavior as adaptation that has evolved over time to enhance survival and reproduction. They examine how behaviors may have provided evolutionary advantages. For example, evolutionary theory can explain the instinctual drive for parent care and protection of offspring as a way to ensure the survival of one's genes. 7. Trait theories. Trait theories explain behavior by identifying stable personality traits that influence how an individual think, feel, and act. They focus on individual differences. For example, traits can explain a person's consistent tendency to be sociable or asocial, which affects their social interactions and behavior. 8. Social cultural theory. Social cultural theories explain behavior by considering the influence of culture, societal norms, and social interaction on an individual's behavior. For example, social cultural theory can explain differences in communication styles between individuals from collectivist culture and individualist culture. These psychological theories and models offer different lenses through which to understand and explain behavior. Depending on the specific behavior of phenomenon being studied, psychologists may draw upon one or more of these explanatory approaches to provide insights and explanation for why people act the way they do.